Welcome back to 80K Aquatics, and today we are touring the Detroit Zoo. In this video we will be looking at the reptile and the bird house, and in the next video we'll be looking at the other animals. First up we have the South Catalina rattlesnake hiding in its cave. Now we have the western pond turtle. Here he is right under his log looking right up at us, right next to the glass, being really cute and friendly. Here's for another angle. Now here's the Massasauga rattlesnake, the only rattlesnake from Michigan, and it is a water snake, and it is very rare, and it is coiled up in a ball right now. And here we have some alligators. There's two of them in this pond. Here's the other one right there. They're both just laying in the water relaxing. And these are Chinese alligators. And that was a Colorado desert sidewinder. This is a green tree python. Here's an eastern indigo snake. This is an Aruba Island rattlesnake. Here's an eastern box turtle. And a black rat snake coming up in this next enclosure. Here's the black rat snake. And there's a picture of it. I circled it in case you couldn't see it. It's right up against the side of the enclosure, poking its head out. And there's the eastern box turtle under a plant. And now we have a West African gaboon viper. This guy's really cool. He looks like a dead leaf, and you wouldn't be able to tell except for its eyes. I bet that would not be fun to step on in the wild. Now we have an emerald tree boa. Right here. There's a picture of it wrapped around its branch. And now we have a reticulated python. Sorry, the picture's so blurry. This is the biggest snake in the world, if I'm not mistaken. And there it is down there, hiding under the plant, hiding behind that tree. Here I took a picture of it and circled it in case you couldn't see it. It's kinda hard to find. Next up we have the black-headed python. There it is right there. It does have a black head. And over here we have some large turtles swimming around. These are South American river turtles, giant South American river turtles, and there's also some dwarf caiman in this enclosure. There's one over there, sunbathing. Doesn't look so dwarf to me. There's another one. Here's an Esteban Island chuckwalla. Sorry you can't see the whole thing. There it is. It's really fat. It's sleeping right there, right next to its food plate. And here's some kind of skink. I think it's called the shingle-backed skink. Yeah, that's right. Crawling around. Here's the European legless lizard back there. I circled it in case you couldn't see it. You can only see like its back in this picture because it was hiding. Here we have a Sonoran black iguana. I think that's what it says. That's a bad picture. And a beaded lizard is also in the enclosure with the iguana. Here they are. Not sure which is which. But yeah, there they are. Here's a picture of them. Picture of one of them at least. Over here there's 3 different animals in there. One of them's a Euromastix. Another one is some kind of other lizard. And then there's some kind of turtle. I couldn't find the turtle and I'm not sure what lizard that is. Here's a star tortoise. Here's a box turtle. Here's a black iguana in this enclosure coming up. Sorry that picture's so bad. We're here. About to find him. Oh, there he is. Look at him. He's eating his food, licking his lips, looking at us. He's huge. Now you have a giant plated lizard coming up in this next enclosure. There's one of them sunbathing on the rock. There's another one right next to the glass. You have a Savu Island python right there. Really cool black color. And look at that, it's a goldfish. A wild comet goldfish. That's the food for the fly river turtle, which is in this pond. I'm not sure if I approve of this, but it looks healthy, so probably won't infect the fly river turtle or anything. And there's the turtle over there. Let's focus on this goldfish because that's why we're really here. And here's another turtle pond with yet more goldfish. Here's 3 more. All staying together, trying to avoid the turtles. Trying to not become lunch. And there's a turtle right there. Look how flat its head is. Looks like a pancake. It's super funny looking. He's probably an ambush predator. That's my guess. Here's the fly river turtle again. Here I have a Jamaican boa coming up next. Here he is. Now you have a black-breasted leaf turtle. This guy looks really cool. His shell looks really cool. Here's a picture of him. He has a really cool shell. It's all spiny looking. And here's the biggest lizard, not counting the crocodiles that they have. The water monitor. This guy's really cool. Probably the main attraction because he's usually pretty active. And yeah, he likes to swim around. You can see him swimming around in his pool. Now we're in the bird enclosure. The birds are just free roaming in this enclosure and you can walk around with them, so that's really cool. There's some like pink ibis-like birds up in that tree right there that we can see. I don't know any of the names of these birds. There's another bird over there. Here are the pink birds again. There's the pink birds yet again, but from another angle. No, wait, this is the same angle. Never mind. There, now it's from another angle. This is the picture of all the birds in here, so if you want to figure out what birds they are, you can feel free. And over here, there's these 2 duck-like birds right next to this water. And over here, you saw this bird running around, being really cute. Then it flew away. Trying to find another bird. There's one right there. I circled it in case you couldn't see it. It's really blending in. The only way you can see it is its white head. There's one of those pink birds on the wall. Look at, oh, that bird just flew away. It was sitting in that bush over there. Look at that. There's like this pigeon-like bird that looks really cool right here. It's like, it walks just like a pigeon. Oh, there's another one of those birds. Those birds are all over the floor. And here, you can just see it run right there. I slowed it down a lot so you could see it. This bird looks really beautiful. Has lots of blues and greens on it. There's another one of those birds trying to escape, going out the emergency exit. There's yet another one of those birds and a other bird over there. Watch this. Try to find the bird. Guess where it is? Guess which leaf it's on. Did you guess right? There it is. Look at this bird. This bird is especially beautiful. Oh, it flew away. And look over on this log right here. You can see another bird perched on that log, zoomed in for you. And thank you for watching this first tour of the Detroit Zoo. As I said earlier, this is just the reptiles and the birds, and I will be releasing another video with all the other animals either on the upcoming Monday or the upcoming Friday after this. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.